The Hindu editorial date 18th of September, 2021. Editorial number 1. Topic: A national commission is essential to make appointments to tribunals. Comes under topic: Quasi-judicial bodies context. Various issues related to tribunals taken up by the Supreme Court regarding various actions of the central government. Various issues include: Tribunals Reforms Act. The Union administration recently persuaded Parliament to pass the Tribunals Reforms Act, which included measures that the Supreme Court had already struck down in an ordinance. Vacancies in tribunals. The Supreme Court was asked about the unusual delay in filling judicial and administrative openings, and it revealed a list of appointments this week. The court found that the names chosen by the various selection committees were cherry-picked. The government has dipped into the waiting list rather than exhausted the selection list compiled by panels of judges and bureaucrats. Tenure of NCLA Chairperson. Justice A.I.S. Cheema, the acting chairperson of the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, NCLA, had his term cut short by 10 days by the government. The government said that it was acting in accordance with the most recent statute, which stated that the acting chairperson's 4-year term would expire on September 10 and that Justice M. Venugopal had already been nominated in his place. However, a bench led by India's Chief Justice, N.V. Ramana, was adamant that he should be allowed to finish his term, and even stated that the court would not hesitate to stay the Act's implementation on its own motion. Fortunately, the situation was quickly addressed, with the government relenting and agreeing that Justice Venugopal would be placed on vacation until Justice Cheema's term ended on September 20. About tribunals. A tribunal is a quasi-judicial body constituted in India by an act of parliament or a state legislature to settle disputes. They are governed under Articles 323A and 323B, which were added to the Constitution by the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976, after the Swarn Singh Committee's proposal. Article 323A deals with administrative tribunals. Article 323B deals with tribunals for other matters. Friction between government and the court. They have frequently differed on qualifying criteria and service conditions, and a succession of court decisions have ruled against the government. Judicial review of clauses establishing changes to the conditions of service of members of the several tribunals has been common. Courts want to make sure that appointees have an appropriate amount of time to serve, and they won't let characteristics like age or experience limit their ability to do so. Even while there is widespread agreement that administrative tribunals are required for faster and more concentrated adjudication of matters requiring specialization and domain experience, tribunals have always been viewed as institutions with a lower level of independence than ordinary courts. The Supreme Court has consistently urged for the creation of a National Tribunals Commission to select appropriate appointments and assess how well tribunals are working. If the government has been dragging its feet on this, it is only because its mulishness has a method. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.